Designed using non-ferrous materials, these connectors eliminate magnetic interference, making them ideal for advanced applications like MRI systems, quantum computing, and high-precision instrumentation. The compact footprint of the SMPM interface makes these connectors ideal for applications where space is limited. Non-magnetic SMPM connectors feature a gold-plated beryllium copper body and contact, along with a PTFE insulator, delivering excellent electrical conductivity. They help prevent potential hazards caused by magnetic interference, ensuring RF signal integrity is never compromised. Engineered from non-ferrous materials, non-magnetic SMPM connectors deliver flexible configuration options, including smooth bore and full detent designs in an ultra-compact footprint. Designed for precision-critical environments, applications include magnetic resonance angiography, MRI scanners, and high-performance medical imaging components. These connectors are built to perform where precision is critical and failure is not an option. Explore the full solution at amphenolrf.com.